Hi everyone, on Windows 11, it's possible to make the Windows Terminal app the default experience to open and run command prompt, PowerShell, and Linux commands instead of the legacy Windows console host. In this video, you will learn the steps to set the modern Windows Terminal app the default experience on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Windows Terminal, and click the menu button next to the New Tab option and select the Settings option. Next, click on Startup, and under the Startup section, use the Default Terminal Application drop-down menu and select the Windows Terminal option. Next, use the Default Profile drop-down menu and select the Command Prompt option if you want to open the app directly into Command Prompt instead of PowerShell. Next, click the Save button. Once you complete the steps, the next time you try to open Command Prompt, PowerShell, or a Windows Subsystem for Linux distro, the experience will open with the Windows Terminal app.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.